Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Jamaican Insider. Right now we're passing by the National Stadium here in Kingston and we're heading for Stadium Gardens. Do relax and enjoy the ride. Turning into Stadium Gardens now. We'll just move out of the road. So here in Stadium Gardens you can find mostly townhouses. There are some old-fashioned single family houses as well, but you will see what I mean once we get there. Coconut jellyman here. Taking this right on Parade Boulevard. Tree. Quite a few ackee trees are around here actually. Interesting names of these streets: Hurdles Avenue, Jump Drive. This side seems to have some older houses. You're seeing way on our left. Let's take a drive along Asafa Cove. that's basically it for Stadium Gardens. It's not too large, you know. Let me show you around the area. Here we have a basketball court right next to a police station. Herb McKinley Drive on our left. And there is a Bob Marley statue right here coming up on our left. There it is on our left. Straight ahead we're looking at the National Arena. Left is where many persons come to learn or practice driving. Passing by the lofts, set of apartments. Right, well that was it for Arthur Wint Drive, Stadium Gardens. Now we're on Mountain View Avenue. So I'm going to leave it here for today. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Of course, if you would like to see a video on Mountain View Avenue, you can click the